Yes, students, now is the revaluation account which we are going to do of this same 14th problem. Mahendra, Surendra and Chandra write revaluation account. That is debit particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees credit. First step to write revaluation account is Chandra capital beta. Goodwill also we don't want. Motor car and machinery are to be depreciated by 20% and 3,800 respectively. So motor car is to 20%. Depreciated andre elli baribeku now debit side. Depreciation you will write in the debit side. So to motor car, to machinery. Motor car how to write? Yes, 20% andre 20 divided by 100. Motor car value is how much? Motor cars here 8,000. 8,000. That will give you 1,600. Machinery direct amount they have told. I have told no 3,800 directly. Buy, ಈ word buy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ direct amount 3,800. Yes. Next what they are telling? Prepaid rent. Rent you have prepaid. Prepaid andre ಮೊದಲೇ you have paid. You have paid it previously. When you have paid it previously your expense, it becomes your gain. ನಿಮ್ಮ gain ಅದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇದು ರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಮಂತಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನವಂಬರ್, ನೋ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ನವಂಬರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಎಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗೋರಲ್ಲ ಖರ್ಚು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ರೆಂಟ್? 600, isn't it? Next, provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 10%. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ should be little careful. 10% ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10% you do. 32,000 into 10 by 100 you do in the calculator. So when you do, see here, roughly I will just do and show here. That is debtors ಎಷ್ಟು 32,000 into 10 upon 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 3,200, isn't it? So 3,200 you compare with your PDD. 1,000 ಇದೆ old PDD. Yes, your old PDD is how much? 1,000. I'll just do and show. Debtors is how much? 32,000. Adra mele 10%. You will get 3,200. But old PDD is how much? You can just write it somewhere, okay? Old PDD is how much? 1,000. So your new PDD is more, no? New PDD is more. Whenever new PDD is more, you will write in the debit side. You will write it in the debit side. If the new PDD what you have calculated is less than the older, you will write in the credit side. I'll repeat it once again, students. What did I do? Debtors the amount in separate calculation, okay? You do. Okay, what did I do now? See, debtors how much it is there? 32,000, isn't it? So 32,000 into 10%. Why 10%? They have told in the question. 10%, maintain 10%. 32,000 into 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 3,200. ಇದು. This is your new PDD. Old PDD is how much in the question? This is old PDD. Question only old, 1,000. Your new PDD is more, no? Whenever your new PDD is more, you will write it in the debit side of revaluation account. That means your expenses is more. If the new PDD is less, just imagine 3,200 siglilla, you got your 800. It is less than the old, alla? New PDD kadme ide than the old. That time you will write it in the credit side. But e question alli new is 3,200. That's why you will write it in the debit side of the revaluation account. So how I'm calculating? See, PDD, that is 10% into debtors 32,000. It gives you how much? Yes, 3,200 minus with the old PDD. That will give you 2,200. Are you clear with this? Remember, if the new PDD what you calculate it is more, then you will write in the debit side. E calculation only. If the new PDD calculated is less, e calculation ಏನideyalla you have to write in the credit side. Don't worry, students. Last again next Thursday I will put all the entries once revise ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So there is no confusion. Now total ಮಾಡಿ. Total it. Total ಮಾಡಿದ highest it looks like this side. Debit side is more. So 7,600. 7,600 minus 600 will give you 7,000. Share equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 1/2 into 7,000 ಮಾಡಿ into 7,000 ಮಾಡಿ. That will give you 3,500. 3,500. Okay, this much. Only this PDD part remember. Okay. Now we will solve the partners capital account. See students, partners capital account first step is always, please write this format. Partners capital account, particulars, partners name. First step is by balance brought down. Always copy it, same. 80,000, 40,000, write it. Second step is revaluation account. Our revaluation account, you have got loss. This side, credit side it is loss. Loss is always you will write in the debit side. So to revaluation account, amount is just copy and write 3,500, 3,500. Yes. Third step is what? The capital what he brings. Chandra brings 26,000 as capital, but he is bringing from a cash at bank in the bank. So by bank account 26,000 Chandra's capital. Yes, what did I do? Chandra's capital, that is 26,000 he brings. Next, goodwill of the firm is valued. Here Chandra is not bringing goodwill, but the goodwill of the firm is 14,000 and is to be retained in the business. I will tell if it is what to do. Normal valued ಗೆ entry in ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. By goodwill account, amount ಏನಿದೆ goodwill ಇದು 14,000. Give it in the old ratio. Always old ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So 14,000 ratio is what? 1:1 equal ಅಲ್ಲ. So 7,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Isn't it? Equal ಹೇಗೆ 14,000 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ 7,000 7,000. Why I am giving this entry? Valued they have told. Goodwill of the firm is valued, raised ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. By goodwill account, old ratio ಏನು 1:1 ಕೊಡಿ. Okay, yes. Now this is a very important step student. This note what you had done here, ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Mahindra 78,000. Just copy and write. You will write here. See here what I am doing. To balance carried down. Mahindra ge 78,000. Yes. Mahindra ge 78,000 I get. Then Surendra's capital, how much you have got? 52,000. Yes. See, in Surendra I am writing 52,000. Next, Chandra's capital is how much? 26,000. So I'm copying and writing Chandra's capital. Chandra 26,000. What did I do? To balance carried down, I wrote all the three amount. I copied it from my note number 1. What I had done now. ಈ amount ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ amount ಇಂದ ನಾನು just copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. Now what did I do till now? By balance brought down, by bank what the new Chandra's capital, revaluation ಗೆ loss entry ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, goodwill valued, so normal entry in old ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ to the old partners. Then balance carried down, this is the amount I have copied it from the ಇದು note number 1 ಇಂದ. Okay. Now we will balance it. Mahindra's balance ಮಾಡಿ total ಮಾಡಿ Mahindra's column highest it looks this side. Okay, this side it is. So only Mahindra's column add ಮಾಡಿ 87,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Isn't it? So I will write here also 87,000. So where it is less, this side it is less. Here it was more, no? Isn't it? Here it is less. So 87,000 minus 78,000 minus 3,500. I'll repeat once again. 87,000 minus 78,000 minus 3,500 will give you 5,500. ಆ entry to bank ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. To bank. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್, ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ he will withdraw and take, he will take home. Okay, Now Surendra's total will do. Surendra's total also, this side it looks more. Yes? Okay. No, debit side it more. It is more. 52,000 plus 3,500 will give you 55,500. Same ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 55,500. Balancing amount ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ is more. See, debit side is more. No? 52,000 plus 3,500 will give 55,500. ಆದರೆ ಈಚೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. It is less. So 55,500 minus 7,000 minus 40,000 will give you 8,500. Your entry by bank account code. By bank. Here you wrote to bank. Here you write by bank. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ deficit brought in. Deficit brought in means ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ is giving money. ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆದರೆ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ 26,000 highest. ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 26,000. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 26,000. ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 26,000. ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ by balance brought down. Is same amount, please write here all the three. ಈ ಮೂರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ. I will repeat this once again slowly. First balance brought down, then revaluation account loss ಗೆ entry ಕೊಡಿ. By bank what he brings amount ಅವ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ 26,000. Then goodwill ಗೆ entry ಕೊಡಿ 14,000. By goodwill account 14,000 old ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Then you will write this entry to balance carried down. ಈ amount ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ note number 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ you have made the calculation. ಈ amount you will copy and write ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ, ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ, ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. then balance ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ's total ಸಿ 87,000. credit side is more, so debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ended to bank account here x is withdrawn. ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ you do total. Your credit side balancing figure ಬರ್ತದೆ deficit brought in. For Chandra nothing is there. Okay, both the side it is same, so no balancing amount. Okay, thank you.